Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Elementor for SEO-friendly websites, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Elementor for SEO-friendly websites, start by ensuring you have the latest version of Elementor installed on your WordPress site. Next, access your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Elementor settings. In the settings, look for the Experiments tab. Enable the Optimize DOM output feature to improve page load speed. Once that is set, go to the Advanced section in Elementor's settings. Enable the Disable Elementor for specific post types option if necessary. Now, open the page or post you want to edit with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, begin by adding a heading widget. Ensure your headings follow a hierarchical structure. Use H1 for the main title, H2 for section titles, and H3 for subsections. Add descriptive alt text to every image you include. This step improves the accessibility and helps search engines understand the content. Next, make sure your text content is relevant and optimized with your target keywords. Use keywords naturally throughout your content to avoid keyword stuffing. Now, go to the SEO settings within the Elementor page settings. Add a unique meta title and meta description. This is essential for search engine visibility. Utilize the global settings within Elementor to set your default fonts and colors. Consistency in design enhances user experience and engagement. To bonus SEO efforts, make use of internal linking. Link relevant content within your site to improve navigation and authority. After optimizing your content, move to the Settings section in Elementor. Ensure your pages are set to load in full width if your theme supports it. This layout often provides a better visual experience on all devices. Preview your page to check for mobile responsiveness. Elementor provides tools to adjust styling for different devices. Use the responsive design features to ensure your site looks great on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Finally, use a caching plugin to optimize site speed further. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.